what that just did is absolutely insane. Like it's just insane. Considering this is Hyundai, i30N or not, what that car just did over there is absolutely ridiculous. Good morning, good afternoon, and welcome to a beautiful 31-degree day in Perth, Western Australia. Now this video is going to be a little bit different because we have the new i30N DCT. Now it's essentially like a mid-term refresh. It's not like a fully brand new car. So in theory, I've already spoken about this car back in 2018. So with that in mind, still controllable. Push it hard out this corner, shift, brake a little bit for this, third gear, power out. Oh my god, brake hard for the bridge. Oh wow. So once we come out of the bridge, we're in second, so we're going to power out of here. It's a bit tight and there's signposts right there, so I won't go too hard. All right, here we go. Third. Fourth. Slow down a little bit for this sweeping right-hander. Keep the power in. Slow down a bit for the left. Oh my God. And then brake hard. Third, second. This one's a bit tight with my drinks bottle going everywhere. Keep the power in, power out, shift. The steering is just there. Brakes are there. Go to third, go to second. On the limiter. Probably shit. Oh, we're losing traction a little bit. Oh my god, there's this, I just can't get across how absolutely incredible this car is. Now the extra 4 kilowatts, the suspension that is tuned for Australia, the bigger dash, it still handles amazingly. That DCT just straight, it's just Mr. JWW shift there. It's just nuts. Like this whole package is just so nice. The upgraded brakes, and you can just absolutely stand on them. Everything about this car is great. Now I'm not saying it's not a great car. What I am saying is it needs to be just a little bit better. And that's not to say they haven't made other improvements, the aluminium forged wheels, the updated styling, the brakes are slightly bigger, obviously the 4 kilowatts which I spoke about, the 39 Newton meters of torque. They've definitely done updates, the bigger interior screen, and obviously if you speak to Hyundai, they will tell you it's like a mid-term refresh. That's not the right terminology, but you know exactly what I mean, right? Like there'll be a new i30N which will be better than this, but with the GI Yaris, and obviously the Supra's in a completely different league, but with the Supras of the world and all these brand new cars, even the i30N line sedan, which I test drove a little while ago, the interior in that is just so nice. It's premium. Now, obviously I have the base model, the i30N Premium comes with these most incredible seats, Alcantara, the touchless key entry, this panoramic sunroof, heated, like a bunch of other things which actually make this a far more satisfying proposition. Price point is going to be an issue. This one here is about 50 on road. Now the premium is going to knocking up to the 55, 57s of the world, but is it worth the money compared to the GRs of the world? Absolutely. Should Hyundai have done maybe just a little bit more? Absolutely. So a bit of a short one, bit of a different one, but that is the end of today's video. It's a fantastic car, don't let me take anything away from it. But as you just saw, it is insane, insane. As always, thank you so much for watching. Apologies for the sporadic posting schedule. I post almost every day on Instagram, so just maybe give that a follow if that's your thing. Come join the incredible community that we are building over there, and of course on YouTube. As always, thank you so much for watching. There's some videos just here that you might find interesting. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that like button. I like you, so maybe you like me. And as always, have a beautiful day, be kind, and I'll see you in the next video.